Okay, so now I'm looking for that bolt. It fell down in here somewhere. It's like a cap head. What I'll probably do is, I have another one of these light fixtures. I'll use the bolt from that and look for this in the morning, which would be a smarter thing to do than look for it now. It's already dark and I'm using my phone flashlight to try and find it, but it's sort of going to be a little bit like finding a needle in a haystack. So for now I'll just use the bolt from my other light fixture, the cap rather, and then I'll continue looking for this in the morning.